Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this Pixar 3D cartoon styled filter that you've probably seen all over TikTok. Before we do get into that, if you guys could go down and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, it would mean a ton, especially because I've been posting a ton of TikTok related content. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Keep up to date with all the latest and greatest TikTok trends. Alrighty, so let's get right into this one. The only other app other than TikTok that you need is Snapchat. So you just want to head over to Snapchat, then click the smiley face emoji in the bottom screen, and that will bring up this tab right here, and then hit the explore with the magnifying glass in the bottom right corner. From there, all you want to do is search up cartoon 3D style, and then this filter right here will pop up, and this is the Pixar filter. It looks very cool, and once you record your video or picture, you can just save it and then open it up right in TikTok, and bam, that's how everyone's been getting this sweet TikTok filter. So if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Also, subscribe to the channel to keep up to date with all the latest and greatest TikTok trends, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace. See you later.